Hey, welcome back. Thanks for checking us out once again or for the first time. I know it's been a little bit since I put much content up, just been having a lot going on. So here we go to the cruise in. What better way than the first night to get Goldie out? My wife wants to drive her to the cruise in, so she's going to get to drive a Falcon and I'm going to drive a Falcon. And we're doing a little practice run here for her. And because she's only ever drove it one other time. You should see that, Billy. She looks like, what is her name, Corella Cavill or whatever you call her? I know. Yeah, whatever. Did I not tell you she looks like that character? Yeah. So we're going to make a little loop around our neighborhood, get her a little practice. She done good getting in reverse and all that stuff. Look at her. She's a natural with these three pedals.
I learned how to drive on a three pedal.
Well, there we go then. Oh, yes. Here we go. I'm either crazy or I love her because there she goes in my 65 Ranchero Deluxe named Goldie. I'm right behind her. Taking two cars to the cruise in tonight. Wife's in her own Falcon tonight. Well, we made it safe and sound, found us a nice spot there beside us. I left that spot over in the corner there for a young man that's got a 64 Ranchero that always talks to me down there, but he ended up being grounded and didn't get to bring his car there. So here's just a quick look at our cars, and then next is the cars at the cruise in. They were playing music in the background, so I wasn't able to use the video. I couldn't video it because they keep flagging it, and I hadn't figured out how to get around that yet, so sometimes less is more. So there were some really nice cars. This is at a local cruise in we have not too far from our house at a Dairy Queen. They have it every Friday night, and sometimes there's a lot and sometimes there's a few, but always a good time. And they are actually some really, really nice cars that shows up to this thing. So I'll shut up and let you check out the cars here for a second. I really do think she had a good time. First cruise in complete for my wife and I together. She's on the way home in old Goldie. She's done really good. I'm proud of her. Hey, again, if you made it this far, I appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and comment for me.